Hey there, my name's Nadanada Najad, and I'm your new self-confidence coach. Let's go over the course and talk about how we're going to make you the most confident version of yourself. First of all, we need to set up the foundations. So right after this lecture, there's going to be a resource available for you. It's our outline, our manifesto, if you may. It's going to cover how we're going to make you the strongest version of yourself and tackle the steps we're going to take to develop your confidence. But before we do that, I need you to make me a promise, and listen carefully here because I'm not going to be able to help you transform yourself unless you're willing to change your mindset. Promise number 1, you'll do every activity I outline in this course. Some of them are quite scary, like speaking to people in public, but you're going to need to do it in order to develop. If you've never done something like that before, even better. Because the growth that you're going to experience from doing something new is going to propel you forward so that you can become the most confident version of yourself. Promise number 2, you're not going to slack off. Confidence takes practice every day. It's like a muscle. If you hide in your room every day, it's going to be harder to be confident the next day. I know you need a break sometimes, but you're going to need to try. Even if you're an introvert, you need to try every single day. Promise number 3, if you need help at any time, you will seek it in the Q&A section of this course. If you truly wish to remain anonymous and don't want to do that, I understand. But if you can, I would greatly appreciate it because so many people are going through the same struggles as you, and your question could help somebody else. My goal is to make you fearless and powerful. And even if you fear, my goal is to make you push forward. Don't let anything or anybody stand in your way because we are going to make a change. Please see the supplemental resource I've attached after this lecture for a brief rundown of what you can expect.